Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the Westclock Model 71036 alarm clock. Okay, so let's take a look at the clock. It's relatively compact. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Okay, now to set the time, just press and hold down the time button. And at the same time, while you're holding and pressing down the time button, you can press the hour button to set the hour. Okay. And you can do the same for the minute. To set the minute, press and hold down the time button, and then press the minute button. Now this clock has two alarms. They're both set to on. So to set the alarm, if you want to set alarm 1, which is here, you press and hold down the alarm 1 button, and then press the hour and minute to the desired time that you want to set the alarm. Here's how you would do that. You would press down the alarm 1 button. That's how you can set the hour. That's how you can set the minute. And same for the alarm 2. Press and hold down the alarm 2 button. It also includes a snooze button. Okay, so let's listen to the sound of the alarm. Okay. Now alarm 2. Now at the bottom right here is a battery compartment. And you can install batteries here for backup. It uses 2 AAA batteries. So there you go. This was an instructional tutorial and review of the Westclock Model 71036 alarm clock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.